having serious headache and cold, especially at night.
Especially at night.
Yes, sir.
Cold?
Yes, very cold. As if, in fact, ocean said before they put me, no reach.
You are feeling cold at night.
Yes, sir.
Very cold.
Yes, sir.
In the night.
Yes, sir.
The cold will be shaking your body.
Yes, sir.
Like bo, 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 bo. Are you shaking your mouth?
Yes, sir.
It will be making your mouth shaking.
Yes, I will be telling my mom that I'm not feeling myself. It's like I'm going.
You are going where? Okay, you are dying.
Yes, sir.
Jesus Christ. How old are you?
28.
And you are feeling cold.
Yes, sir.
28 years.
Yes, sir.
That is if you reach like 40, you will be freezer. That's just 40. If you are feeling cold now and you are 28, like 35 to 40, your name will be freezer. Because the thing is not normal.